Welcome to solving equations algebraically using division. Let's look at our first example. Some number p divided by 4 equals 20. Well, let's think about that logically. If we had 100 in here, 100 divided by 4 is 25. Well, that doesn't work. Let's try 60. 60 divided by 4 is 15. That doesn't work either. Okay, let's go between 60 and 100. Let's try 80. 80 divided by 4 is 20. So we know the answer is 80. So let's try to find it algebraically. Since we're looking for p, we can get rid of this 4 by multiplying both sides by 4. So let's try that. So multiply both sides by 4. P over 4 times 4 equals 20 times 4. But we know that 4 divided by 4 is 1. So let's simplify the left-hand side, and 20 times 4 is 80. Let's simplify the right-hand side. And there's a solution for the first problem. P equals 80. Let's look at the second one. 8 divided by some number m equals 4. Well, if we think about that for a minute, 8 divided by 1 is 8. That doesn't work. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So m needs to be equal to 4. Since m is in the denominator, we need to do a little bit trickier math. So we need to do cross multiplyings, which would be 4 times m equals 8 times this 1 that we know is here. So 4m equals 8. That's our first step. Let's try that. Next step, 4m equals 8. Now we still haven't solved for m. So the next thing we can do is divide both sides by 4 to get rid of the coefficient beside the m. If you divide both sides by 4, you get 4 divided by 4 is 1, 8 divided by 4 is 2, so the answer is m equals 2. Let's look at the third example. Minus 2 equals 12 divided by t. Again, we can multiply both sides by t to get rid of the t in the denominator, so that would give us minus 2t equals 12. Divide both sides by minus 2. That'd be minus 2 dividing here, minus 2 dividing there. That would leave us with t equals 12 divided by minus 2, which is t equals minus 6. So there we have t equals minus 6. Let's go back and look at these two questions one more time in a slightly different way. If we switched the m and the 4, that would give us this next step right away. So we'd have 8 divided by 4 equals m. That's what I call the switcheroo when we're cross multiplying. Same for this question here. 12 divided by minus 2 equals t. So if we switch these two, that's essentially what happens when we're cross multiplying. So that will save you one step. Let's look at the very last problem. X over 3 equals 7. Some number x divided by 3 equals 7. Well, if you think about your times tables, you'll know that number is 21. So to solve this question simply, we multiply both sides by 3 and we get x equals 21. And there you have 4 examples of using division to solve algebraic equations. Hope that helps.